Torch rally demanding unconditional release of the three officials of Pambai-led United National Liberation Front (UNLF) was organized last night at Wainam Sawangbong area in Lelong Assembly constituency. Many Myra Paibis of the area under the initiative of Wainam Sawangbong Apunba Myra Paibis Loop took part of the torch rally. The Myra Paibis denounced the arrest of three officials of Pambai-led UNLF, including Chief of Army Sidaba Mapu by NIS. They demanded the immediate release of the three officials without any conditions, as they are the men of the Pambai-led UNLF who signed peace talks agreements with the government of India. They shouted that we want peace. We blame the nature of the NIA. Makes meaningful of the peace talk. We should continue agitations until and unless the said officials are released, they shouted.